So hey everyone, finally we now know the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's price range as the Galaxy Watch 5 series is set to launch on August 10th. We already know a few details about the watches, such as the fact that the standard Galaxy Watch 5 will arrive in 40mm and 44mm sizes. Only a 45mm size will be offered for the Watch 5 Pro. And the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is special because according to rumors, it may be the first real smartwatch to have a battery life of more than 2 days. Yes, regardless of the wearable, if you ask every smartwatch user what the worst feature is, they will probably all give you the same response: battery life. Even as devices like the Galaxy Watch 4 and other premium Android smartwatches become speedier with each passing year, few appears to survive more than 24 hours on a single charge. The source of this most recent rumor is Ice Universe on Twitter, who previously teased the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in the most intriguing manner. In the case that this leak is accurate, Samsung's future premium smartwatches may offer at least 3 days of battery life, crushing the competition in the process. Standard Wear OS smartwatches from Samsung, Fossil and other manufacturers typically last more than a day in a practical usage, with a slight exception made for selected mobile models. Other wearables, in particular fitness trackers and hybrid devices, can surpass a week of battery life in daily use. Even Apple has struggled to offer real multi-day battery life after spending almost a decade creating a smartwatch portfolio. I hope this news is true and we will see a smartwatch that can run for up to 2 days on a single charge. Now back to the Watch 5's market price. The cost of the Samsung's next Galaxy Watch 5 will be slightly increased according to previous rumors from Roland Quant, but now it appears that Galaxy Watch 5 may be more affordable than the Galaxy Watch 4 was.
Is this true?
Yes, we were able to receive pricing information for the Galaxy Watch 5 series before its release via a reputable European shop listing. They usually list accurate prices. The ad claims that the 40mm and 44mm versions of the Galaxy Watch 5 BT would cost €259 and €286 respectively. The 45mm edition of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which only supports Bluetooth, may start at roughly €430. I will leave it to you people to decide whether or not the price of the forthcoming Galaxy Watch 5 series is appropriate. And just to remind you, there won't be a Galaxy Watch 5 Classic. Instead, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be taking the place. So what are your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Share me in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.